All right, Coach John here. What I want to do is show you an at-home workout that you can do simply using one of these bands here. Okay, so first one we're going to start off with, just need a band, any kind of pole. I'm going to use this, but you could literally use this, any kind of post you have, pole. What we're going to do is we're going to start off with chest flies first. Okay, so with the chest flies, going to keep a slight bend in the elbow and 1 foot forward, or you can go feet right apart from each other. I prefer 1 foot forward and slight bend in the elbows. You're going to keep constant tension, squeezing the chest muscles. We're going to go, I'm going to do 10 reps here. You can do anywhere from like 10 to 20 reps at home based on how the resistance is for you, and then you can always increase them as you get stronger as well too. All right, but want to feel this mainly in the chest, and said I'm going to go about 10 reps or so. And after this, what we're going to do is we're going to go one arm chest presses. On this one, you're going to wrap it up this way and just have it this way around a post. And this, you can put more tension on the further you come out here. On this, you're going to go one arm chest presses. We're going to go about 10 per side. Again, anywhere from 10 to 20. I'm going to do about 10 of them. All right, you want to feel mostly chest muscles. You're going to feel the front of the shoulder and also the tricep as well. Just want to keep it controlled. Make sure exhale as you push forward. All right, so again, on this one, going about 10, then we're going to switch sides. Make sure you do both sides here. And again, I'm going to go about 10 reps. Make sure exhale as you push forward. Want to keep good control on it. And want to keep this here, when you come back, about 90 degrees up at the shoulder and about 90 degrees at the elbow. Again, exhaling as you come forward. All right, so after those, we're going to go ahead and do thrusters next. Okay, so with the thrusters, you're going to go ahead, you're going to stand on this, just spreading out just a little bit. Want to bring the band up here and going to squat down. And as you come up, exhale, coming up with the arms, pressing up. So again, I'm going to go about 10 right now. And at home, anywhere from 10 to 20. And on this one, you can always make the resistance more by increasing the band or keeping more tension on the band that you're pressing. Okay, so after you get about 10 to 20 of those, then we're going to come back in here. We're going to go rows next. And we'll keep the palms facing the ground. This one we want to feel primarily back muscles squeezing the shoulder blades together. Pulling back. Exhale as you pull back. And on that one, again, about 10 to 20 reps. Last one we're going to go upright rows next. So on this one, I'm going to keep the hands just a little bit closer together and going to pull straight up to the chin, elbows pointed up towards the ceiling, and exhale as you pull up. This one you're going to feel primarily in the shoulders. Just want to keep a slight bend in the knees, bring the band right up to the chin. And we'll do one more here, and there we go. So those are 5 exercises that you can string together in a circuit. Just go from one to the next, going about 10 to 20 reps. And something you can do at home, like I said, all you need, just a simple band. All right, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon.